Hey, we're going to talk briefly about how to set up our binders. So I'm actually going to ask you to focus on me for a moment. Here is your notebook. You're going to open it to the very, very first page. You're going to label it page 1. It's called the table of contents. You're going to write down that Unit 1, describing motion, starts on page 2. And now we're going to turn to page 2. Check this out. Watch carefully. This is page 2. Page 1, the back of it, page 2. Now on page 2, you are going to glue down your learning intentions. If you don't have one, wait until you are in class. I put mine right at the very top of my page, and it went down to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th line down. That's how much space. From the top to line 7 is how big it is. All right, now underneath that, you're going to write vocabulary. We have 5 vocabulary words this unit. So far, I've only given you 2. All right, so you've got page 1. Table of contents. Page 2 is where the unit starts. You got page 2 where you glue this down. You've written vocabulary, and you need spots for 5 words. All right, now let's get my face out of the way. Here is our first vocabulary word. Try to only have it be 4 lines tall, but position, which is X if we're using a variable, is where the object is on a number line. It's measured in meters, where positive means to the right of 0 and negative means to the left of 0. Sorry, from your perspective. Positive direction, negative direction. And here we have a picture, please draw it, of an object at X equals -2 meters. Fairly straightforward. Our second vocabulary word is displacement, represented by delta x. That triangle is Greek letter delta. It means the change in x, the change in position, also measured in meters, where positive means it moved to the right and negative means it moved to the left. Moved to the right, moved to the left. You can see here that we're starting at that initial position of -2 meters, and we're moving to a final position of +3 meters. And if you count how many steps that is, you see that it is +5 meters. The positive means to the right. The math on bottom is just how you could get it if you didn't want to draw the number line. That's how you would get it with numbers. All right, now back to me. Page 2. You then just go to the next page, page 2, page 3. And if you look on Google Classroom, I already have a video showing you exactly what goes on page 3. All right, there you go. Hopefully that'll help you get your notebook set up. Have a good day.